Okay, I think this is good. There's no more dropped frames. Alright, so this is the Tezos Homebase DAO generator system that I used here to create the Sebuh Baker DAO dashboard and contracts. So if you want to participate in the DAO, you would have to stake some of your sub tokens here. So I'm going to demonstrate how you stake. First, you just go to, if you already have your sub token, you just connect your wallet. And then over here, I'm using Tempo Wallet, so it's asking me to connect, and I'm connected now. And then just click on here, right here where it says stake in the main page, and then I'll tell it how many I want to try to stake. Let's try to stake 100 of them. And then click stake tokens, and it should pop up with another transaction. So this is saying it's gonna fail. Maybe I don't have enough sub tokens right now to do 100. Okay, well, oops. I guess we could try to go buy some. So I could go to dex.sebuh.net, and right here I will trade some Tezos for some sub tokens. I'm going to get maybe 100 of them. And there we go. So while we wait for that to happen, this is basically my version of getting into TP-swap contracts for swapping tokens. So, well, let's give that a minute. And then in this area, I can show you where the proposals are being made. So right here, you could click New Proposal to create a new proposal. Right now, there's 3 active proposals and 17 addresses have added sub token to the DAO. So there's 16 users that are participating, I guess you could say. Here's the 3 pending proposals that were created during this proposal session. For example, let's check out this one. Alright, what this one is saying is this is a treasury proposal because it involves moving Tezos around. So what it's proposed by this address here, and if I click on this address, it will take me to TZKT, and I could see what's going on with that address, I guess you could say. And then this one also the same. So they've linked up the addresses. Before when the first started, they didn't have the addresses linked to TZKT, and I asked them to do this, and they added that really quick. So up here you can see the threshold is 190,000 sub token. Needs to participate in the voting process for it to meet quorum. So 19% of the sub token supply. And this is gonna go into a voting mode in about by Monday, I believe. And over here is the treasury page. We can see how many sub tokens are in here and how many Tezos are in here. And then we could see a transaction log here, which these hashes all lead to the transactions on TZKT. And then if you wanted to add Tezos to the DAO, you could do it from right here. This is the only place where you could really add Tezos to the DAO's treasury is by clicking this button and telling it how many Tezos you want to deposit. Okay, so let's go back to trying to stake here. Let's go click on the stake button. We can put in 100 sub token. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see. So I have my wallet. This time my wallet is saying to pay me, so that means it went through properly. And this is it's a 0.02 transaction to stake my sub token right now. There for the storage fee. Now that's being processed, I guess. Okay, so down here on the main page, also on the main page of the DAO, like the overview page, we have a list of all the token holders by staked tokens. So these are all the accounts that have added the subtoken into their subtokens into the DAO, and we got up to 16 now. It's cool. And then this one's over here on the right. It shows the balance of how many subtoken they've added. This one is my wallet, and I have this 190,000 plus amount so that I can ensure any of the proposals get to pass quorum. And at a later date, maybe once the program's being used more, I won't need to have that large of an amount. Okay, so now it's saying stake transaction confirmed down here, and it's showing us the address we could go look at. And right here, my balance should have increased by a little bit. So that's basically all you need to do right now to be ready to be able to vote on proposals or make proposals. Um, right now, over here on the right, you can see it's the creating proposals phase. So this DAO flips back and forth between two phases. It goes from the proposal creation phase to the proposal voting phase. And then there are, I believe, additional phases if a proposal is having a long time to get quorum. And right now that says 2 days, 4 hours left for the next one to start. So if you wanted to make a proposal, you haven't used this yet, you'd have to deposit your subtoken and then wait 1 week, and then you can make your proposal, because when you first stake your subtoken into the DAO, it is frozen for 1 cycle. Okay, so here we can try to make a new proposal, and let's say, for example, actually, let's look at one of these proposal examples first so we could see what kind of formatting we should use. So this proposal D2, D5, 6DDB, whatever, that's like the hash of it, I guess, or something, is it's basically saying set support Granada adoption to true. That's what the proposal is. So if this proposal passes, then the idea is that the Sebuh.net Tezos Baker will upvote the Granada adoption, which the voting for has just started. Um, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but let's see. If we go look at TZ stats real quick, this is where I go check on governance related stuff. But election says promotion now is what they're calling it. It's in the promotion of the election progress. So there's no votes and then yes votes. And this is going to run until July 22nd. So hopefully by the 22nd, which is where we're here in like 2 weeks, the DAO will have already decided how we should vote for this protocol update. Alright, so that's this one. So set Granada to true. So the key is the set part, and then the other value was true. So what it does is just fills everything in with set true, set to when you create a proposal. So let's say new proposal here, update registry. It would be set right here. We could put something like update NFT website. Update NFT dot Sebuh set up finish set. I don't know. You could fill something in right here, and then the other part down here, and then you'd click send. Oh, of course, right here you can see it costs 100 subtoken to make a proposal. That's the fee. If your proposal fails, then half of your subtoken, 50 subtoken, will be deposited into the SebDAO treasury. Yeah, then this is the registry here. Like, we have not had any, things added to the registry yet because nothing's been really voted on yet. So each time an update is made through a vote, it'll be kept in this like log of all the things that people have voted on that have been participating in it. Alright, well, cool. I think that's about all I really wanted to do demo of today. So, you guys have a nice day.